Hello, and welcome to the Livelaps printer usage tutorial. In this video, we will demonstrate how to associate your racer's transponders and print their race number. Log into your promoter account. Select an event. Select a race. Select the Livelaps Blue Connect 4.0 scoring method. Once you are on the Find Scoring Device page, turn on your RFID reader as demonstrated in this video. Make sure to power only one device to avoid connecting to the wrong device. Select the device serial number matching the reader you just turned on. Select the Find Printer menu option. Turn on your Bluetooth printer. Select the printer serial number matching the one on the printer. You can see the serial number on the LED screen of your printer. Once the printer is associated, then you need to go in the settings to configure the printer based on the type of stickers you want to print. The sticker we are printing now is 40 mm by 70 mm. Once the printer is configured, you can go to the association menu to associate a tag and print a race number. On this page you will see the racer's tag IDs, race number, name and class. The system shows the list of registrants. Select the registrant to associate the transponder. If the registrant is not showed in the list, it's because he's not registered to the race. You can create a new registrant using the New Function button. When your racer is successfully associated, you will see a print button on the association screen. When clicking on print, the racer number will be printed. Alternatively, here is how a 75 mm by 120 mm sticker looks like when printing. You can also print from the top right menu if you want to print custom numbers. If your scanner is having trouble scanning only one tag, go in the settings, and select the LLHF027 reading power option, and lower its power. We recommend to set it at 5 for registering racers. Thank you for watching.